Okay, much like last time, it's gonna start off with seasoning some chicken. I've got 4 good size chicken thighs. A little salt and pepper, and I'm gonna season just one side here. I'm gonna season the other side here. That way I'm not fumbling around too much with them. Pepper. Get my pan warming up. There we go, it's starting to get hot. We'll get some oil down. So you notice I moved the slow cooker right here. That's because they're gonna go from here directly into there. Okay, that's getting hot. Chicken's nicely seared off. That's going into the slow cooker. And like we did last time, in goes the sausage. Now the different thing I'm doing this time, I've doubled the amount of sausage. Trust me, the sausage tastes pretty good. Okay, so I got some color on the sausages. They're going in. And like I did last time, I start cooking off some onions. This is about 1 medium. I think I used a half of one last time. We'll get these going. A little salt and pepper on them. While those are going, I'm going to add a few items into the slow cooker. The big thing is chicken and chilies. I've got some chilies here. One thing I'm doing different, I'm throwing in some poblanos this time, just for a little extra heat. Next I'm going to throw in a couple of bay leaves, and we'll go 3 cloves of garlic. I just squeeze those a little bit, not too much. The onions are looking good, so I'm going to add in some spice. Like last time, I put in some chipotle powder and paprika. You'll notice the careful measuring I do here. And I'm going to throw in my tomatoes. Again, 4 Roma tomatoes. Also going into the slow cooker, thyme. Okay, tomatoes look like they're breaking down. Just starting to. We're going to add our white wine. Again, 5 ounces. Now we want this to reduce down just a bit. And while that's in there, we're going to put about an ounce of tomato paste. Okay, that's reduced down quite a bit. Let's get this into the slow cooker. And we'll add our final ingredient, chicken stock. I'm going to go with about half a quart. There we go. A little bit more. Now I'm going to set this on high and let it go for 4 hours. Okay, the slow cooker worked its magic. Last time I served these with roasted potatoes, well, How about a little garlic mash? Piping bag optional. There you have it. Slow cooker Basque chicken with peppers and onions. All kinds of goodness. I'm Chef Terry. I'll see you next week.